Hey Stampers, welcome to another week of Watch It Weekly Wednesday. I'm Aubrey Paxton and I'm excited for you to join me today. For those of you who are new joining us, make sure that you subscribe by clicking on the link down in the lower right hand corner of the screen, and you can follow us for our videos that we upload each Wednesday. It's so much fun and we'd love for you to join us. Today I'm excited to share with you some new product from the Stampin' Up! Annual Catalog. So we're starting with the Detailed with Love stamp set. And along with this, there's a whole suite that goes with it. There's the delightfully detailed laser cut sheets. So I wanted to show you what those look like because they are beautiful and they're a little bit different than what a typical designer series paper is, but I think you'll fall in love with it just as I have. So you get 4 sheets of 2 different designs, so 8 sheets total. You get one of them looks like this, and I have some paper here behind it just so you can see the detail of each one. So one is a full sheet of this lacy, pretty floral design, and on one side is very vanilla and on the other side is Whisper White, which is so nice. You can use either side with vanilla paper or white paper, or you can always use it together. That's actually a really in thing right now, to use vanilla and white together. So if your OCD will allow you to do that, you can do that too. It's so much fun. So I thought that was a beautiful piece of paper, and later on I'll show you one of the things that I thought would be really fun with that. The other sheet that you get in it are these cute, they're kind of like overlays for the back of, or for a card. You can cut out each of these things and put them on a card. And then there's also these ones that you can use as accents too. And again, vanilla on one side and Whisper White on the other. So many options with this, and it's so fun. Also with this suite is note cards and envelopes. And these are really fun because they already are like watercolored. So they come and you basically can just put things on top of it and your card's done, which I love things like that. It makes it so fast to get through and they're so fun. In this come 4 different designs, 5 each of them. So 20 cards total and envelopes. And these are the designs. They're Blackberry Bliss and Mint Macaron, you can see. And they just have these 4 different designs. They are beautiful, so pretty, and make your card so gorgeous without having to do the work, which is a lot of fun for me. So let me show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this one here. I'm just going to fold it. And I'm going to take this overlay. I like this crisscrossy one. And I've already cut this out of the paper, obviously. But I'm just going to take some of our Tombow multi-liquid glue, and I'm just going to adhere that. And with this kind of glue, a little bit goes a long way. So I'm just going to put a little bit in some different places along that crisscross. But I'm not going to do a ton, because if I do, then it will kind of squeeze out all over my project, and I don't want that to happen. So I'm just going to lay that down on top here. Just like that. And already, isn't that so cute? So fun. Okay, I'm going to set that aside and let it dry. And then I'm going to take some Mint Macaron paper, and I am going to take Blackberry Bliss stamp pad. And I'm going to stamp this, saying this is the thank you from the Detailed with Love stamp set. And I'm going to stamp that down. And then I'm going to take the Pretty Label Punch, and I'm going to punch that out because I think it fits really well with this suite. And then I'm going to take, this is one of my favorite things that come in this suite. It's the Trio Punch. And you have 3 different punches here. You have this little detail. This is a little punch for a tag. You can punch it and then you can tie ribbon through a tag, and then a corner rounder. So I love this. I've used it a ton already. I think we'll get a lot of use out of it. Anyway, I'm going to just put my punched piece right into here, and it's kind of nice. It has a little stopper place, so it goes in exactly where I want it to, and I'm just going to line this up evenly, and then once I am happy with how it's lined up, I'm just going to punch down gonna do the other side. And like I said, it just lines up really easily, and it's a really well made punch. So you can see I got it perfectly on the sides there. So fun. Okay, and then I'm gonna punch out another one of these, and I'm just gonna back that behind here. Just like that, okay? And then I'm going to add some fun detail on it. I really love this polka dot tulle ribbon that we have. This comes in Whisper White and Very Vanilla that you can use with this suite. Again, the Whisper White Very Vanilla, you can also add it together, which I encourage you to try, even if it seems really hard to you. But I'm gonna use this as a fun detail on the back. I'm gonna flip this over, and I'm gonna take my sticky strip, and I'm just gonna add those pieces to the back all around here. And I love this sticky strip because it's a little bit heavier duty than a regular adhesive. It's easy to use because you can just tear it right off and put it wherever you need on your project. It's fun. Okay, and then once it's all adhered, you're just gonna take and peel off the backing to that tear and tape adhesive. And it helps to have some long nails to get it all up. And then you're just gonna take your tulle ribbon, your cute polka dot tulle, and you're just gonna start and kind of ruffle all the way around there. You just pick it up and ruffle it onto that tear and tape. And you're just gonna go all the way around. Punched image. All right, and then just trim off your excess. And like that, you have a cute little detail to put right on your card. And I'll bring in the one that's already adhered down here, and you can see the finished product. So fun. And I mean, you've done a cute little detail there, but the back gives so much fun too with that fun watercolored paper in the background. So let me show you a few other cards we've come up with using this suite. It's so much fun. So in this suite, I should show you, we also have these cute faceted dots, and they have all the different colors that are in the suite. And then there's also this Nature's Twine, and this coordinates with a different suite, but it goes really well with this one as well because it has the same colors. Okay, so in this it has the Blackberry Bliss, the Mint Macaron, the Grapefruit Grove, and the Crumb Cake twine that you can use too. So it coordinates really well as well. So let me show you these cards with the different overlays and the cute watercolor backs. Just kind of quickly go through them. Aren't they so pretty? I love that viney look. This is that cute framed one. So many of my smiles begin with you. So cute. And that is with one of those, the lined ones, not one of the frames. Still fun. And this one, oh, I love this. And you can see we used the white instead of the vanilla on this one. Very cute. And then the cute floral one. So fun. So if you enjoyed what you saw today, make sure you click on the links below, and that'll take you to a place where you can order any of the product you see here today. Leave some comments below if you liked what you saw, and make sure you give a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next week for another Watch It Weekly Wednesday.